Fast, flavorful, and made for two. Welcome to Quick Cuisine for Pairs, where 5 wholesome ingredients unite to create delicious and nourishing meals for two. First up, we are making Thai salmon and broccoli with quinoa. For the ingredients, you will need 4-ounce salmon fillets, 4 tablespoons pre-made curry sauce, half a cup of quinoa, a half a cup of broccoli, 2 cups low-sodium chicken broth, olive oil, salt, and pepper. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then prepare the baking sheet with parchment paper and the salmon fillets. Season your fillets with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Next, coat the salmon with pre-made curry sauce until it is generously covered. Add the chopped broccoli to the baking sheet and coat with olive oil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Then they are ready for the oven. Bake for 12 minutes. While the fillets are cooking, prepare the quinoa according to the instructions, with one exception. Boil the quinoa in chicken broth instead of water. This adds more flavor. Quinoa is a whole grain that contains 8 grams of fiber and 10 grams of protein per half cup. By this time, the rest of the meal should be finishing up in the oven. Grab a dish and portion half a cup of quinoa, half a cup of broccoli, and 1 salmon fillet onto the plate. Feel free to add more sauce if you prefer. And that's it for delicious Thai salmon and broccoli with quinoa. For the next recipe, we'll be making baked chicken tikka masala with zucchini noodles. For this recipe, you will need 2 chicken breasts, a 1/4 cup prepared tikka masala sauce, half a red bell pepper, 2 cups broccoli, 1 package pre-prepared zucchini noodles, olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Start off with preheating the oven to 375 degrees. Chop the bell pepper into bite-sized pieces. Grab a baking sheet with parchment paper. Season the chicken breast with salt and pepper, then add to the baking sheet. Coat the chicken with the tikka masala sauce. Then add the broccoli and bell pepper. Top the veggies with oil, salt, and pepper. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked all the way through. Use a microwave-safe tray and cook the zucchini noodles according to the package directions. We are ready to begin plating. Portion a 1/4 cup veggies, half a cup zucchini noodles, and 1 chicken breast onto a plate. Cut the chicken however you would like and then enjoy. This dish comes together quickly with just a few ingredients. It's low carb, high fiber, and high protein. For the last recipe, we are making Italian sausage with sautéed pepper and onion. For your ingredients, you will need 1 pound Italian sausage links, 1 red onion, 1 bell pepper, minced garlic, 90-second wild rice, olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Let's start out by slicing the bell pepper into strips. Remember to remove the pith. The adaptive tool being used to slice the bell pepper is called a rocker knife, which is great for those who have limited use of their hands. After cutting the bell peppers, move on to the onion. Add the sausage links to the pan and cook for 4 minutes on each side. Sausage can be a part of a healthy diet. Limiting red meat to 1 serving 2 to 3 times a week does not increase risk for preventable diseases. After the sausage is lightly browned, add the veggies to the pan. Season with salt, pepper, and then add minced garlic and cover the pan. Cook until they are tender for about 10 minutes. While the sausage and veggies are cooking, microwave the rice according to the package directions. And just like that, our dish is ready to be plated. Chop the sausage into bite-sized pieces. Add half a cup of rice and the vegetable mixture to a plate. And then you are ready to enjoy your meal. And that's our 3 quick, simple recipes that can be made for two. Thanks for watching and let us know which one's your favorite. Catch you next time.